free disc, yeah? Snaps off here. Short ball on the bottom. Basket on top. Long pole on top of that, and then there are all the damn things dangling properly. Yeah. Unscrewing this knob here, we have two pieces about equally weighted. Yeah, cut this down a bit. And then this one. Spot weld here with metal behind the hole, and here at the seam, and the same thing all the way down. Here you turn the pipe to the metal, spot weld here and there. Rust-Oleum hammered, yeah. Sunken into the concrete, yes. And then we padlock a big fat number 17 master lock through the bottom ring and the triangle. See, secure, one piece. Follow Sacrete, you're there.